Hi there! Two new devices in the house, the Realme Beard Trimmer Plus and the Realme Hair Dryer. And both of these devices I'm going to use a lot because I have long hair and they take a long time to dry. And of course, beard trimmers are always very handy. So let's unbox both these devices one by one. By the way, both these devices are priced exactly the same, $1,999, so no surprises here. So we'll start with the unboxing of the beard trimmer. Let's keep this aside for the moment. And here is the retail packaging of the Realme Beard Trimmer Plus. This is the Plus variant. On the side, you can see some of its features: IPX water resistance, Type-C, travel lock. Towards the other side, 40mm lens setting with 0.5mm precision, 120 minutes battery runtime, 2 stainless steel blades. Okay, towards the back are the manufacturing details and the MRP, which is $2,599. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, that's gonna take some time. Okay, on the top you have the product guide, the product information guide, and then right here is the trimmer itself. We'll have a look at it in just a moment. Then this is a secondary blade that they have provided in the box. It's called the engraved blade and it's for more precise trimming. Then you have two more combs. If you look closely, they are of different sizes and will come in handy when you want to adjust the length of the hair you're going to trim. We'll have a look at this in just a moment. Then here is the soft pouch to keep the trimmer. It comes with the Realme branding on it. I believe there's something inside. Okay, first thing is the USB-C charging cable. And we get a super tiny brush to clean the blades. And there's also some oil. Yes, there's a small oil bottle to clean the blades. Alright, let's have a closer look at the trimmer itself. Wow, the build quality is terrific. It's really nice, feels solid, feels really well built. You can see the blade on the top. This is a stainless steel blade. There's a cover on the top which basically you remove so that you don't hurt yourself. These are sharp blades, so be careful, you keep this always connected. Right here is a knob that is to adjust the length of the hair you want to trim. There's a power button, the Realme branding, lovely metallic finish at the bottom. Right here is the USB-C port to charge the trimmer. Really well made. So it's time to check how this works. So first thing we're going to do is remove this. And when you press this button, you can see that it's actually not turning on. That's because a travel lock is enabled. And that is done so that it doesn't accidentally turn on and you don't hurt yourself. So what you need to do is press and hold this for 3 seconds. And there you go. Wow, that's so smooth. Wow, that's really nice. The green light means that the battery is around 100%. Once this is orange, it means it's below 40%, and red means it's below 10%. Now, if you want, you can actually even swap this blade with the engraved blade. There you go. Super simple and really easy. And here are the combs. This fits right in here. And after that, you can adjust it. So the higher you go, the longer the hair. The lower you go, the shorter the hair. And these both are of different sizes. Now if you see this one, this is even for more long hair. There you go. So if you want more longer hair, you got to use this one. If you want really shorter hair, you use the other one. Really clean, simplistic design and easy to use. Now a couple of things to know about the Realme Beard Trimmer Plus. This comes with IPX7 rating, which means you can basically keep it under the tap, and it comes very handy when you have to clean it. Then these come with self-sharpening blades, so as you use them, they sharpen on their own. It comes with an 800 mAh built-in battery that will last for 2 hours of continuous use. Of course, no one is going to use a beard trimmer for 2 hours continuously, but just to get an idea, if you're going to use it for 10 minutes every day, it should last you for about 2 weeks easily. That's amazing. Also, if the battery is depleted, you can just connect the USB-C power port and start using the beard trimmer. Simple. You can buy this for $1,999 on 5th of July at 12 PM on realme.com and flipkart.com. Alright, it's time to move to the Realme Hair Dryer. Alright, it's time to unbox the hair dryer, and here is the retail packaging. It's kind of a big box. You can see the image of the hair dryer right in the front. On the side, you can see some list of its features: 13.8 millisecond power wind, 1400 watts efficiency power, VO flame retardant materials, 2 heat, 2 speed settings. Towards this side, you can see 5 minutes fast drying, 55 degrees hair care, 20 million healthy ions, and 19,000 RPM high speed fan. Towards the back are some manufacturing details, and the MRP here as well is 2,599. Alright, let's open this up. As always, the first thing on the top is the instruction manual, and then you have a small cone that actually attaches on top of the hairdryer. And finally, we have the hairdryer itself. Let's open it up. Oh my god. Okay, I have to say this. It's so well made, it's so beautiful that I'm already loving it. And you can see the soft material, it's got that really matte soft finish. It's really hard to see with a white table in the background, but it's got this lovely finish. Feels so nice in the hand. Oh my god, look at the color of the grill. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. You have the Realme branding right here. Towards the back. Oh my god, you can actually even see the filter. It's really, really nice. So impressive. Build quality is really nice. The cable itself, it's clean. It's a very clean, light, minimalistic design. You just need to plug it in and start using. Alright, it's time to connect that cone. There you go. The hairdryer is ready. You can focus exactly on where you want the air to come. And it's got a pretty minimalistic design and buttons, only 2. Now this button is to toggle between hot air and cold air, and this is the speed. That's it. Super simple, and frankly I didn't expect too much, but this is all that you need in a hairdryer: hot and cold air and the speed of the fan. Alright, let's turn it on. That's level 1, and that's level 2. Wow. Ooh. Okay, that's really nice and strong wind. Let's just switch to, oh yeah, that's hot. Wow. Wow, that's nice. And we're back to cold. Easy, clean, functional, and a really, really good looking hairdryer. You know what I liked about it? It's really, really good looking. It's amazing. Wow, I truly was impressed with this hairdryer. The build quality, the functioning, the ease of use, and the beauty, all amazing. You can buy this as well as the Beard Trimmer Plus for 1,999 on 5th of July at 12 PM on the Realme website and the Flipkart.com website. I'll leave the links for both these devices in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feedback or complaints, mention it down in the comments. All are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.